Hello everybody, this is Chris and I am Christavacation. Today, I would like to talk about different tips and things to think about when going to the airport to go out and travel, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. So, stick around and see what's new. Hello everybody, once again, this is Chris with Christavacation. So today, I want to talk about some tips and maybe a little heads up when coming to the airport, getting ready to travel. First off, what to expect when showing up. Before you just show up, go in, check in, hit the kiosk, and keep it moving, right? Well, guys, since this whole pandemic hit, it's a little different now. So when you show up at the airport, just a heads up, you may actually have to have your temperature taken before you even go to check-in. So keep that in mind, guys. So give yourself a little extra more time when showing up. Second thing is, the check-in process. Now, with the COVID-19 going on, you need to know that a lot of your airlines, you're not allowed to use the kiosk no more. As of before, you could just go and hit the kiosk and keep going like I had just said. So remember that. So once again, give yourself more time because they don't want no one using the kiosk because of you got to touch the kiosk, right? And they're saying COVID is being spread by touching. So they have closed the kiosk down, so which means you have to get in line along with everybody else that has to get in line. But remember, the social distancing, 6 feet. And then once you go through that line and you go up to the ticket counter, please, 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 give the ticket agent a little bit of grace. They're under a lot of stress right now themselves with the COVID-19. So just a little tidbit, please give a little extra grace. The reason I say this is because I work for a major airline myself, and I know the stresses that are going on, guys. And it's not easy for someone in the airlines just as much as it's not easy for somebody traveling. But anyway, guys, I just kind of wanted to give you a couple of pointers right now on things on what to expect. I'll go into more detail and more tips on my next video. So please, if you found any value at all with this, or you actually like the content, please hit the like button. And for more of it, smack the subscribe button. And if you would for me, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, or what experiences you have encountered at the airport. Thank you, everybody. And remember, life is a journey. Live it.